I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a PayPal account. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official PayPal website. Look for the prominent Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to begin the process. You'll then be prompted to choose between a personal or business account, depending on your needs. Make your selection carefully to proceed. Next, you'll need to provide some essential personal information. Start by entering your phone number, which PayPal will verify with a one-time code sent via text message. After verification, input your full legal name, a valid email address, and create a strong, unique password. Remember to agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy before moving forward to the next step. To fully activate your account and enable transactions, you'll need to link a payment method. You have the option to connect either a bank account or a debit or credit card. Follow the clear on-screen instructions to securely add your chosen method. This crucial step allows you to send money, receive payments, and make online purchases with ease and confidence. Finally, confirm your email address by clicking the verification link sent to your inbox. Once confirmed, your PayPal account is ready to use. Take a moment to explore your new dashboard, where you can manage your funds, view transaction history, and discover various features. Enjoy the convenience and security of making online payments and managing your finances with PayPal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.